Morning everyone, and welcome to today's trading analysis on the 1st of November 2021. Bitcoin just changed on a monthly all-time high, and so let's jump right into the weekly chart and see what is going on. Bitcoin is still trading above the support levels, come back to retest it. At this point you can see it as a consolidation at the highs, so still bullish. On the daily chart, little bit push down there, maybe that was the low with a higher low forming right now. You can also see the RSI is kind of accompanying that with the stochastic at the bottom. On the 4-hour chart, it is a little bit more pronounced. It looks like there could potentially be some sort of a head and inverse head and shoulders forming. If that's the case, that would make the target up there, 70,000. Funding rates are coming down, and you can see that every time the funding rates hit this red box, you can see there's a little bit of downward pressure there. Okay, there is quite a lot before quite a big drop kind of hits it there. Then the last little bit, the funding rates has been not really, there has been some downward pressure, but it's not really been, it's more upward than downward. But at least the funding rates are now coming down, and hopefully in this stage it will give some more impetus for some upside. So that is still positive. Bitcoin exchange net flow is still falling. As you can see, there's still more crypto leaving exchanges than is coming into exchanges. And also you can see that the total supply of Bitcoin is still at is now going even lower. XRP on a weekly scale is still consolidating just above the 21 moving average. On the daily scale, you can see that it's now managed to move above the 200-day moving average, and you can see that this big triangular formation, which is quite a bullish formation, is playing out, but it's really struggling to break through this downward trend line. On the 4-hour chart, it's even more pronounced. You can see every time it hits this line, it just gets rejected. A breakthrough this line would be fantastic, and it probably a lot of upside. Bitcoin versus XRP, you can see that XRP is still in this buy zone against Bitcoin. And the interesting thing to look at the moment is the bot trading with the RSI. With a buy on 30 RSI and 70 RSI, you can see that you would have had multiple buy and sell signals. Buy and then sell, a buy and a sell, and then a buy and a sell somewhere up there. So that one was up there. So a lot of those were quite big trades. I mean, this range at the moment is about 10%. So within that, people are making 3 or 4% quite rapidly, and there was 4 or 5 trades in this month just on that. If you wanted something a little bit more radical, you can go onto the 15-minute chart. You can see that there would have been a lot more buy triggers and a lot more sell triggers, also in the same range. The S&P futures are still trading at an all-time high, which is absolutely fantastic. I think if this continues to go up, that would be absolutely fantastic for crypto. So in conclusion, I think the market is still bullish. We're just waiting for the breakout on XRP. If it's not this week, it would be in the next few weeks. We should see Bitcoin back to all-time highs or even higher, and XRP break through the trend line and have even more gains. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you very much.